Okay, hello, my name is Joseph Akwasi Boamah. I'm from Ghana and I'm 30 years of age and I'm looking for work as a general helper, whether cleaning or factory hand or technician helper. I am hardworking, confident, good communicator, and I'm also proactive to my work. My education is I have a high school certificate in refrigeration and air conditioning. I can repair split AC, install, and also diagnose fault on window AC as well. Okay, I have good skills. I'm a strong guy. I can do any work. So any general hand, I'm available. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. Thank you. I appreciate it very much if I can hear from you. Thank you very much.